Where is the fuse located at an Husqvarna riding mower model #YTH 2348?
Hello, and thank you for choosing Just Answer. I'll be helping you today and am committed to providing clear and concise answers to your question. They are generally located in front of the dash under the hood, but if you do not see it, here's a surefire way to locate it. It can be physically located at a number of places in the harness, but it always located between the same two components. Start at the red, plus, battery post and follow the battery cable to the starter solenoid. On the same top post of the solenoid where the battery is hooked there is another smaller red wire. Follow this small red wire and it will lead you directly to the fuse. Let me know and we'll continue. If you need more information, please stop and reply to me via the Reply to Expert link in the lower right corner of the ratings box with any issue or remaining question you may have. My reputation as an excellent expert is critical, and I will be happy to continue further and do everything I can to provide you with the best service possible. Your highest rating is my primary goal because that means I've given you the top quality service you deserve. Thank you so much. With the assistance of another helpful expert, we verified that on this model, the 20A fuse hangs from a wire bundle below and to the side of the battery.
Follow the small red wire, but it did not lead to a fuse.
The small red wire from the top of the solenoid is what you followed. If so, it will lead to the fuse. Perhaps it was a different wire you followed. Also, the other expert was apparently mistaken when he said it was near the battery. For the Husqvarna manual, it is behind the dash on your unit as I first stated.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now visit justanswer.com/YTHI.